Fudria, Rusef Machka.
The following contest is a no disqualifications match. Making his way to the ring from Russia, weighing in at 220 pounds, one half of the undisputed, the Russian Gladiator.
We have one-on-one action on the way, and this one should be nothing short of amazing.
I don't doubt that for a moment, Michael. In fact, I would go so far as to say this match might just steal the show.
His opponent from Glens Falls, New York, weighing in at 220 pounds, Neil.
As we ready for singles action, Byron, what can you tell us about these two competitors?
Well, I can say that both of these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance here tonight. But as we all know, only one will walk away with their arm raised in victory.
No more talking behind each other's backs. Kinshasa!
But he's got to capitalize now.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat. Sit back, people. This one's not over yet. It's going to take more than that. What a stomp. Good grief. Can he finish the job? He goes for the cover. Digging deep for a kick out.
And we continue.
Got the arm. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Oh, a knee right to the face. That knee is a lethal weapon. He's on the defensive here. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly.
He just has to make sure this doesn't get too out of hand for him. Sometimes momentum has a way of permanently swinging one way. That's what he wants to avoid here.
Ooh, what impact. Setting him up. Oh, a shin breaker. Try walking after that one. Oh, that might have just broken something. He's stumbling some now. Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
Ooh, nasty impact.
He's looking banged up here, guys.
And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
Boom! And look, it hung up on the second.
Get in there, ref.
When this guy's on, look out. Here he goes.
Oh, he might have just ended this.
He's lining him up.
Here we go. Kinshasa. Can he end it here?
His shoulders are down. Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that.
I can't believe what we're seeing here.
Uh-oh. He's looking happy. He's looking at it.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
And he escapes the submission.
And good thing. That could have been disastrous.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. What a stomp.
Good grief.
On the shoulders here.
And it could be a long way down from there.
Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, you are definitely right, Michael. But you also have to remember how much energy it drains to pull off.
Beautiful technique.
Oh, the dreaded claw to the shoulder.
Man.
This has been a war. Back now inside the ring. Chaos, melee, pandemonium. He looks absolutely exhausted. I don't recall the last time he looked so fatigued.
That's over at this point.
He's in tough shape, guys, and there's absolutely no room for error now.
He might have it. Showing some quickness there.
He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
He somehow breaks free.
Nice, but he clearly has next to nothing left to give here.
I got right to the gut. Back in from the floor. Here it comes. He's got him. Here he goes.
Not the fall that hurts. It's the sudden stop at the end.
Wow. Cover here. 1, 2, 3. What a way to win a singles match. Now let's take a look back at some of the great action.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic. That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. from the opening bell, this match was one for the ages. I'm almost speechless. Almost.
Here is your winner, the Russian Gladiator.
Gonna feel the effects of this win for a while.
When you get a one-on-one match like that, you hate to see one of them come up short. But that's just the harsh reality of it.
Matches like that are the reason why I love this job so much.